Local news for Thursday the 16th of February. 38 properties were sold in Masterton in January, and of those sold, 35 were over the registered valuation with just 2 under. Some properties were selling well over the asking price as well, with up to $30,000 plus over the asking paid on at least one property, proving the real estate market is still very buoyant. Police are reminding people to log their vehicles after a noticeable increase in opportunistic crime. Senior Sergeant Mike Sutton says most of these crimes are preventable and the message is simple: lock it or potentially lose it. A vehicle on a private property that has been entered, if proved, could see an offender face up to 7 years in prison as the crime is classified as a burglary. A small quake struck just before 6 a.m. yesterday morning, situated 15 kilometres east of Masterton and 23 kilometres deep. It was 2.6 on the Richter scale. And in sport, this weekend softball action, the Giants' Prem 3 men and presidents are at home, while the women's side head away to take on Hutt Valley Marist. In the juniors, the under-15s are at home as they play Totara Park Blue, while the under-13s are away and play a double-header, taking on Dodgers and Te Araha. For Wairarapa TV Local News and Sport, I'm Brent Gare.